Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing and reviewing this product that our friends from FIFINE has sent over to us. This is the FIFINE AM6T Condenser Microphone Kit that you can use for gaming, streaming, and even podcasting. This is your affordable and budget-friendly kit where you can get everything that you need in order to start your gaming or streaming setup for just under $60. This microphone has a gaming chat mix through the physical knob that is built into the mic, so you can find that perfect balance between the sound of your game and chat voices for your gaming and streaming. So before we go ahead and open up this AM6 condenser microphone, remember that this is a condenser microphone and it is not that similar to our AM8 right here because this one is a dynamic microphone, meaning that our condenser microphone right here, it will tend to be a bit more sensitive than our dynamic microphone, because this one will capture a lot more sounds in the surrounding area. So that's why we need to be more careful in setting up this microphone and maybe even add some filters when we are using it for streaming, because like I said, this is a more sensitive microphone than our dynamic microphone right here. So without further ado, let us unbox this AM6T condenser microphone from FIFINE. So this is the AM6T condenser microphone kit from FIFINE. And I gotta say, they did a good job on this design for the box in itself. I saw the previous release of this AM6T, and I gotta say the box and the packaging is a good step up in the presentation for this microphone. And again, this is a budget microphone kit, so you get all the things that you need in order for you to set up for your gaming, streaming, and podcasting without breaking the bank. This is about $65 in Amazon right now, and you can get it for an additional 10% discount if you use the coupon code in Amazon. So we have here our user guide. And behind this, we have our kit in itself. So we have the microphone here, and of course, our pop filter with the logo of FIFINE, the smiley face. So it's a removable pop filter depending on where you want to place this around the microphone. We have our game chat mix knob here, so you will have the balance for your game and your chat sounds. We also have our gain volume right here and our headset volume right over here. Okay, and we have our mute button right here on top. We have our C-clamp. And here we have, last but not the least, our boom arm. So this is a pretty basic boom arm if you ask me, but if you are just starting up, this is a great start for you to have and try out a boom arm for your microphone. And once you are more familiar with the usage of all the boom arms, then you can find yourself a better one that you can use for your setup. So now let's go ahead and set up this microphone on our PC. This is the sound coming from the AM6T condenser microphone from FIFINE, and this is the raw and unfiltered version of the sound of the microphone. And now I will add a little bit more adjustment in the sound profile for this microphone. So now this is the sound of the AM6T condenser microphone with just a little bit of adjustment in the bass and treble levels of the sound profile in this microphone. So what do you guys think? Leave it down in the comment section below. And another feature of this microphone is this pop filter. So let's now try if we can see all the pops or the sounds that are coming from this microphone. Is it better with this pop filter? Let us try. Peter picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter picked a peck of pickled peppers. So how does that sound? So now let me try without the pop filter. So now let's try that without the pop filter. Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers. So, how does that sound? Leave it down in the comment section below. So another feature of this microphone is the pop filter. So to remove all those sounds and that sounds, so removing all of those things. So now let's try this on this favorite children tongue twister, which I myself is having a hard time trying to speak this tongue twister in this microphone. So I do apologize if I messed this up quite a few times, but here goes nothing. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So, how does that sound? Leave it down in the comment section below. So now let's go ahead and try that same tongue twister without the pop filter. So now that the pop filter has been removed, let us try again that tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So, what do you guys think? Leave it down in the comment section below. So now, let us do a simple sound test on the comparison between the sounds coming from our AM6T over here and our trusty AM8 over here that we have been using in our setup for quite a long time now. So now, this is the sound coming from our AM6T. So this is the sound coming from the AM6T condenser microphone. What do you guys think? And now, let's switch over to the AM8. This is the sound coming from the AM8 Dynamic microphone. So, what do you guys think about the sound profile for this AM8 Dynamic microphone? Let me know down in the comment section below. So, final thoughts on the AM6T condenser microphone from FIFINE? Well, I would say that this is a very good and affordable starting kit for any of you guys out there who want to start their setup for their podcasting, streaming, or even for their gaming setup. This kit, which already includes your condenser microphone, a pop filter, and even the boom arm itself for just under $65, well, I would say that it's a pretty good deal. The sound quality coming from this microphone is very good as well, and you just need a little bit of tweaking just to make it sound better. And if you're using it for streaming or podcasting, you can use the filters that you have in your OBS or any streaming applications that you might use in order to adjust the sound profile for this microphone. And with the physical knobs in order to adjust your gain volume for your microphone and your headset input, as well as the game chat mix here, where you can find the perfect balance for your game sounds and your chat voices. I would say that it's a pretty good feature for this microphone of this price. But of course, as we have mentioned, this is more of a starter kit. Well, down the line, if you want to upgrade on this kit, I think you can get a better boom arm because this one is a pretty basic boom arm and I don't think that it will last very long, honestly, but it is pretty good for a starter kit. And you can just change the boom arm down the line if ever you have the need for it. Another thing to take note of on this condenser microphone is that the AM6T microphone is actually a USB microphone, unlike our AM8 right over here that is both a USB microphone plus it's also an XLR microphone. So if you want to upgrade in the future and use the XLR connection and connect it to a proper mixer, then you have more options for your sound profile. So what do you guys think? Would you get for yourself the AM6T condenser microphone kit from FIFINE? If you are interested in this microphone, I will leave the link in the description below with a special discount code on Amazon that you can use if ever this microphone is not currently on sale. So thank you guys for joining us today, and if you found any value in this video, why don't you click that like button in this video and maybe subscribe to our channel. You can also watch more of our videos up here and up here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye! Peter peck a pick of pickled pepper. Peter peck a pick of pickled peppers. Peter